Today is the exciting day where we're gonna see the room being complete with this humongous desk. Well, there's still a lot of small work here and there, but this is gonna kind of make the room what it's intended to be. For now, this room will be changing as our needs require. For now, we need a big desk, so let's set it up, see how it looks, and then start organizing it. So let's get started. Let me help you.
Oh.
One thing we didn't take into consideration is that we made it flush wall to wall, but it has to slide in.
We could, if we were strong, lift one side like this and lift it down.
But if you saw previous video, that is not just your normal typical countertop.
Not even a countertop thickness.
No.
It's double almost.
It's like really thick.
7 centimeters, yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh no. Actually, yeah, it goes that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's set it.
I do the heavy part.
Yeah. 3, 2. Okay. Wait. Put my knee. Okay.
It's also I cannot be behind
I
it.
cannot go in it either.
Can you go in?
What? Okay, I can't hold it.
No, can you hold it for a second?
No.
So I can run to you?
What are you doing? It's not gonna. No.
Okay.
Wait.
Down. The legs are also on the limit of
The
being.
legs we did not consider.
That they're too big. Didn't realize how wide the legs are as well.
Yeah, we left them.
That one's okay. Well, that looks epic, doesn't it?
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. And always we can take this thing out and reuse it somewhere else.
I hope that we can slide it out that way.
No, we take
have
it the
space.
same way. No, we take it the same way up. I take that side up, higher.
No, but I'm saying we can also take it out as it is as a table because it fits
Search the wall.
through that door and through that door.
This needs a tiny little brush and repaint it a bit.
That's okay.
Touch up.
That's the least problem, the least damage we could have done.
Oh yeah. We could have dropped it accidentally and went through the wall.
Oh, okay.
This thing is heavy. But I think we got it in pretty good. And this banana is a lot stronger than it looks. Because that thing is very heavy.
It helps that it's a fresh day.
Yeah, yesterday would have been struggle. Okay, let's now put it in correctly and screw it onto its legs.
Yeah.
So it doesn't slide off accidentally.
So the big piece is on, and I was actually much more scared that it is gonna clog up the place way too much, but it kind of fits pretty good. I feel like it goes less than door to door. I was actually scared it's gonna come here somehow. I don't know how we measured it, but I literally thought it's gonna go like a lot in front. And yeah, now the big reveal, what's gonna go on it is 2 computers. This is gonna be our working station. Actually, when we first were building this whole thing extension, we did not really know exactly what we want in here. At the start we're thinking like 2 armchairs with a coffee table for breakfast, but that will come later on in our life. Now we're so busy, we eat breakfast really fast, we don't really take our time, sit and enjoy and kind of like this movie couple like thing, so that is not something we need now. And as I said, this room will be transforming as our needs require. So once we have kids, this is gonna be a playroom. We're gonna have the upstairs, so this whole editing and working place, computer place will be moving upstairs. So yes, then we're gonna have like beautiful plant room. Well, we can still put pots and plants on the windows, but once we have kids, this could be a playroom. Once we are older, we can have a reading room. So depends how that room is gonna grow with us. Now we need an editing station. For those that didn't know, we have 2 computers, our old and new computer. We have our main editing setup in our bedroom on a big desk. And for a long time now, we wanted to remove that so we can put a closet there. And yeah, that is one, but we don't have the computers next to each other. So the other computer station now is where our coffee area used to be. And that is way too squishy. That is just not enough space for editing. And since now we have 3 channels, there's a lot of more editing that needs to go in it. So we need 2 of us sitting here professionally editing at the same time, so we can also spend time together after at the same time. Plus, we also did not really, since we did the heated floors, it is just wonderful to sit here and edit. I was so long waiting since we put the heated floors, getting all the work done. I was like really looking forward to have editing station here. Plus, the view is really beautiful, and the computers, honestly, the monitor, one goes here, one goes there, and this whole front middle will be empty for crafts, so we can have a nice desk with a beautiful view, natural lighting to do some small crafts. Okay, that is pretty much it. That's the explanation of what this is gonna be. And yeah, let's stop talking and actually get the computers here. We still have to edit today's video, so let's get them here and see how they look, how it feels. So far so good. Desk does not look too bulky. Let's hope that the computers and monitors will fit nicely together. And honestly, like from here, like if you look straight at it, you can't see the desk, which is good.
So it's gonna look like I'm just sitting.
Yeah. Interesting. That was actually our original idea of, that's how we actually wanted to use up this room, this space. We wanted to have a computer there. But
it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It needs to be double.
Yeah, it's like way too small.
Because my legs hit the wall and there's no space for a hand.
And now that is cleared up, what is going there? A Christmas tree.
Christmas tree, yeah. I would say a cup.
So let's clean it up so we can get a Christmas tree tomorrow.
Opa. How awful is that?
I mean, you can't edit without a monitor.
Yeah, that is.
We're not filming on tape here. Cutting tape and sticking it together.
Very tight. This one. We want it a bit more upwards like that.
That monitor is a bit bigger. Bitty a lot bigger.
Also, the table ain't straight-ish.
That is a big monitor.
Yeah.
Don't realize it when I'm working on it.
Needs a clean as well, the screen. Oh no, this feels good with even these annoying legs. Feels not that bad.
Actually, it's not that bad. We still get like this whole middle empty, which is really nice. So now that we have set up the monitors, keyboards and mouse, we don't know where to set up the computers exactly. That's our now main problem, trying to figure out if we're gonna put them on top or on bottom.
Top is healthier.
Yeah, on the bottom it's a bit hot.
It's hot
on the
and
floor.
more
We cannot
dust
put it
as well.
directly on the floor, yeah.
You want the computers in the less dust and less heat, because they do provide heat themselves. They get hot, especially when we're rendering and doing work. They get very hot, like, so they cannot be on heated floors, and then they're slowing down pretty much because they're extra heat.
So one option was to put them on top of that, but there's some problems with cables and stuff. So
yeah,
we're
one
gonna
will point that way, and one, both will point the same direction, but like for this monitor, we'll point the cables to there, which is really awful. And also, I can't hide the cables that easily either.
So we're gonna try to put them behind there and see how it looks.
Behind there, it makes sense, and one makes sense also to go there.
We'll see how it looks.
We'll lose a bit of maybe desk space, but it might be healthier and easier for us to manage. And also cleaner look on the bottom, I think. Clogging up the bottom, I think, is worse than having just a square box there. I mean, that's computers, you can't really do it easier than that. I think it's okay.
And we want to keep it as minimal as possible. So on top we just want to have the essentials and the hard drives, and that's about it. The rest we might put some hidden drawers maybe. We'll see. It's not super necessary. Or we make, we can also make like a shelf here or something.
Yeah, you
for all
just
of
grab
those
a
things.
mouse and...
Grab a mouse.
Hard drive, whichever you need.
Because we don't use them like daily, we just need our like main hard drive, and then whenever we need one, we just maybe get them from here, make like a nice beauty shelf or something. We'll see. Because I really, really want to keep it to that minimal. I love how really good it fits. Like flush here at least.
That's as deep as I can push it without breaking anything.
No, it's pretty nice and flush. Oh. How does it feel?
Feels very nice. I think it feels good.
Do we though? We have the black big mat, but I don't want to put it just because it's gonna look way too dark and black, and I like seeing the wood. I don't know about the mouse because I hear you like going like up all the time. Yeah.
Goes deeper in, so if you go on that, then honestly, surprisingly, the mouse is really good. It literally is working over the cracks. The mouse itself is high quality, so I guess it doesn't care.
Yeah.
It's just up to your own feeling.
Okay, I have to see, but we do have a small mouse pad just for the mouse, not for the whole thing, because I think it's gonna look way too dark.
Yeah.
No. Hopefully we have enough to go till there.
They are making a nice mess.
Big spaghetti.
So it's the next day. We have been enjoying this room already, and it's been really nice and warm to sit in here and edit the videos. The last thing you saw was the internet cable, which I've hidden up nicely enough. I did want to route them through upstairs, but I never got the chance because I think I ordered the internet cable after we did the installation. So I didn't get the chance to do the internet cables through nicely and hidden through the walls. But it's gonna be okay. I will find my way to hide it. I mean, I hide it pretty well already. And underneath here, I did have a bit of excess, but I couldn't buy a shorter cable because I think it would be not enough. So I'd rather have a bit of extra than not enough. So now we have internet in here, and it works perfectly fine. And I think it looks pretty good, and it gives us a really comfortable, nice, big open desk. Now we can really work here and also enjoy this room to the fullest because we can see all around. We're spending the most time on these screens in theory because that is our job, and we are able to enjoy the view, enjoy the room, enjoy the nice warm floors. But that's gonna be pretty much it with this video. Let us know what you want to see next, what type of builds you're looking forward to, because we're kind of done with this room. We're not gonna do much more with this because we have other things that we have kind of coming up already that we are gonna start working on. And this room is kind of close to the finish where we are done with it. We do need to add some trims on the bottom, some baseboards they're called, and some other small little touch-ups. But overall, those things don't bother us for now, and we are gonna get on them with a bit later, hopefully at some point, not leave them beyond, you know, where they stay forever like that. But that's gonna be it with this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna see you in the next one when we start working on some new projects. Bye bye.